very calm, and then suddenly got very angry. Well, I have this friend, like a colleague, and sometimes he just snaps and he gets angry and like really because there's some rubbish on the floor. Like I don't get it, but like for him, apparently he gets sometimes a little bit angry because of that. Within a second, he's just calm again. So strange, right? Okay, that's my example. How about you guys? Tell me in a one-on-one session for 7 minutes. And when you talk about it, tell me about when, where, and how so we understand each other very well. Okay, let's go and have fun.
Hello.
Hello, Nora. How's it going?
Oh, it's pretty good. But the weather is really hot in here. How about you?
Oh, how much degrees is there right now? Oh, Nora? Nora?
I think actually, the, uh, 30 degrees Celsius, 30,
30.
30
Oh,
degrees
yeah.
Celsius.
Oh, yes. So it's
Yeah,
kind of,
mostly sunny outside.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So it's absolutely hot. Yes. So,
Yes, totally.
yeah, yeah. So tell me, are you from Myanmar, right?
Yes, I'm from Myanmar.
What city do you live there?
Pardon me, please.
What city do you live there in Myanmar?
Oh, I live in Yangon.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yes, Yangon, but right now I'm not in Myanmar.
Mm,
Uh, I'm currently living in Thailand.
mm,
So
very-
yeah.
Why are you living outside in your country? Are you working in some
Because
company?
yes, I'm working. I'm a teacher,
Nice,
and yeah.
nice, nice,
So I leave my country like over 1 year.
nice. What do you teach? What is it your lectures?
Uh, I'm assistant teacher in a kindergarten, nursery
Nice,
school. Yeah,
nice, nice.
kind of. Yes, kind of a Montessori curriculum, Montessori school.
Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. The language in Myanmar and Thailand is the same? No, right?
Oh no,
No,
totally different.
so
Myanmar
different.
and Thailand, totally different. Yeah.
What is
Do
the
you know
name?
Myanmar? How do you know
No,
it?
I know nothing. Actually, here in this part of the world, we know nothing about
Mm-hmm.
Myanmar actually because it's not so usual to to see any news about your place here, it's not so usual,
Oh,
so
yeah,
we know
exactly
nothing.
because of this.
Yes, yes, we know nothing
Yeah.
about your country actually. And what is it the name
Mm-hmm.
of your native language?
Burmese language,
Parmes.
but yeah, Burmese language. Yeah. In Myanmar, there's a very ethnic groups, so we speak a lot of language
Mm,
depending on our ethnics. But I'm a how can I say, Bama, so I speak Burmese language. Like there's are other as ethnic groups as well.
groups.
Yeah.
This is very interesting because here in Brazil we have one official language in the whole country, you know, which is Portuguese.
Yeah.
But we have another language as official in certain places here. Like, let me give you an example. In the south of Brazil, there are huge colonies, European colonies like Dutch, German,
Mm.
Italian, Japanese colonies, you know. So uh, there are two or maybe cities that I know which German is one of the official languages in the city, only in that city, you know?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
German, you know? And yes,
Oh,
this is very curious, yes.
so do you speak German language or
No,
other language you
no,
speak?
no, no, no. My region speaks only one language, which is Portuguese. We don't speak
Oh,
any other language.
Portuguese.
Yeah, because I'm not in the south of Brazil. Actually, I am in the
Mm-hmm.
northeast of Brazil.
Yeah.
So yes, we don't speak any other language. You know?
So the second language is English?
No.
No?
You know, this is a very good question. I think we don't have a second official language for
Mm-hmm.
the the country itself. We don't have it, you know? Like I
Uh-huh.
said, we have a second language in certain cities only, you know, in Brazil,
Uh-huh.
but not in the whole country. We don't have it actually. Here is only Portuguese.
Myanmar, actually, we also we don't have this language like officially announced. Officially announced and issued by the government or something. But most of the cats, English is their language.
Yeah,
Most of the people.
yes.
Yeah.
Though I think
And
Brazil,
also like
yeah.
later these days, most of the younger, how can I say, most of the young people tend to Japanese as well. Because
Yes, yes.
Japanese, and they would like to, yeah, but they would like to go to Japan in work as a domestic
Mhm.
worker or maybe factory workers or I don't know, maybe a lot. And also because the good pay really is a good pay than our country.
Nice. Very interesting. Japanese as a yes, very interesting. So that I yeah. In
Japan,
Brazil,
Japan, Korea.
oh nice. Here in Brazil we don't speak
Oh,
any other language. I